Hey everyone, today we are bringing an AI-inspired dream to life by building this super cute miniature farmhouse from scratch. First up, we assembled the base and attached these realistic brick-textured walls to get the main structure standing. To make the inside feel like a real cozy home, we are adding some premium miniature decor. Check out this tiny dining table, complete with a mini milk bottle, a toaster, and a perfectly crafted little cake. It's all about the fine details. Next, let's work on the front porch. We added a neat set of stairs and fixed this elegant wooden pillar to support the roof overlay. We also installed a warm LED light right by the main door to give the house a beautiful, welcoming glow at night. For the exterior aesthetic, we wrapped beautiful green vines around the side wall and placed a tiny bicycle near the porch. We even added a miniature cow on the side lawn to really capture that peaceful farmhouse vibe. Now that the main walls are secure, it's time to set up the interior. We carefully arranged the tiny kitchen and dining furniture, placing the chairs around the table and setting up a cozy sofa in the corner alongside the main cabinets. Everything is perfectly organized to make the space feel functional and lived in. With the inside taken care of, we step outside to work on the landscaping. We plant beautiful tiny flowers and lush green shrubs right below the windows to give the farmhouse a vibrant, fresh look. Peeking through the side window, you can see the cooking area fully equipped with miniature pots on the stove and even a tiny oil bottle. The warm interior lighting makes this little kitchen look incredibly realistic from the outside. Now that the main walls are secure, it's time to set up the interior. We carefully arranged the tiny kitchen and dining furniture, placing the chairs around the table and setting up a cozy sofa in the corner alongside the main cabinets. Everything is perfectly organized to make the space feel functional and lived in. Finally, it's time to seal the build. We carefully align and attach the main roof panels over the structure, officially bringing this miniature dream house together. Stay tuned to see the complete look with full lighting,